So here's the next part of Google Forms, something I have learnt relatively recently and could help with subjects like physics and maths, where typing your working is particularly difficult. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get students to upload a photo of their work as part of their working, because typing physics is tricky. So I'm going to go into settings just quickly. I've got collect email responses, really important. I'm going to turn response receipts off. I don't even know why that's on. I am going to restrict to SBL users. Again, that's important. And I am going to make it a quiz in this case, because it might be for a learning check or a plenary or something. I want there to be points attached to it. So question 1, say what is 2 plus 2? I'm going to make it a short answer. I'm going to add in response validation of it's got to be a number, and I'm going to add an answer key of 4 for 1 mark. Anything else is wrong, and I am happy with that. Done for question 1. Here's the different bit. I'm going to add a question, and question 1b is going to be upload a photo of your working. And then in the question type here, I'm going to go to file upload. And it gives me the warning, let respondents upload files to Drive. They'll be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive, so it'll go into your school Google Drive. Respondents will be required to sign into Google when the file upload questions are added to a form. That's fine because you're restricting it to SPL students anyway, so they've got to be logged in. So I'm going to go continue. Right, allow only specific file types. Yes, I only want a image because I want them to upload a photo. I don't want anything else. I don't want a spreadsheet attached. I don't want a PowerPoint attached. You could have a video attached. I just want a photo, and I said photo. Maximum number of files. I really only want 1 photo per question. If it's like an A-level paper with 6 questions, I would probably ask for a new photo for each question just to keep it simple. Maximum file size 10 megabytes. You can change that. To be honest, for a photo, even 1 megabyte should be fine, but I'd probably leave it at 10. This form can accept up to 1 gigabyte of files, and again, you can change that. You shouldn't need to. If you've got a 10 megabyte file limit on each photo, that's still 100 photos. I suppose if you're doing 30 classes, a few pages each, you might want to change that, but this stops things getting silly. Answer key, I'm going to make this worth 3 points because it's the working. So question 1 is 4 marks altogether, 1 for the answer and 3 for the working that I'll put here. Done. And then that is done. If you send the link, then how it looks is as you'd expect. What is 2 plus 2? You put your answer. 4, upload a photo of your work, and you click on add file. This is what the student will do, and they can upload, select it, or you can literally drag it into the place, but that's for the student to do, and they will be used to doing that, I suspect. Now, what happens, what you'll be interested in is what happens when the results come in. So, True Blue Peter style, here's one I did earlier. I have gone to the responses tab, and I've gone to individual, and I found the one that I've submitted, 2 plus 2, 4, good to know. And then here, where it's uploaded, please upload a photo of your working for question 1. I can click on it as the teacher, and what will happen is it'll take me to my copy of the photo. It's got this file name here in the top corner is the file name of the photo with my name appended, so it's easy to see which student it's attached to. And here's the working. I can have a little look at it and go, oh yeah, that makes sense. So I can then go back to the form and say, yep, individual feedback, great, working, well done. Save. It's now gone up to 4 out of 4 points. Release the score, and it'll go, yep, full marks to csm@sbllearning.org.uk, as you'd expect. If you go to the spreadsheet, if you have a spreadsheet, then this is what it'll look like. Date stamp, obviously email, score, answer, and then in the question 2, instead of the answer I put in, it's got a link to the photo that I uploaded. And if I want to find it somewhere else, if I go into the folder where the form is, I've got a physics form file responses folder that it automatically created. And there's only one more folder in here. Question 2, please upload a photo. And here are now the 2 photos for the 2 people that have uploaded photos for this form. And obviously, eventually, that would be a list of all of them. But the easiest place to keep track of that is in the spreadsheet, because it very kindly does you a nice list. You can say who it is, have a look at their thing, and you can click from it from there, or of course from the responses tab here. Any questions, obviously email me and ask, but I hope this might be useful.